Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate LinkedIn Live announcements to grow career audience, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate LinkedIn Live announcements, begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the LinkedIn homepage. Click on the work icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select LinkedIn Live. If you don't see this option, you may need to apply for access. Once in the LinkedIn Live section, click on the Create button. You'll be prompted to input details about your live session. Fill in the title, description, and any relevant tags for your broadcast. Now, choose your preferred streaming tool. You can use tools like OBS Studio, StreamYard, or any other compatible software. Make sure to set up your streaming software to connect with LinkedIn Live. Once connected, configure your video and audio settings. Test your equipment to ensure everything is functioning properly. When you're ready, go back to LinkedIn Live and click Go Live. Start your broadcast and engage with your viewers. After your live stream, be sure to post the recording on your profile. Encourage discussions and comments on the video. This will enhance your audience's engagement and grow your career network. Regularly schedule LinkedIn Live sessions to keep your audience engaged. Promote your upcoming sessions through posts and messages. Interact with your followers before, during, and after each live session. Utilizing LinkedIn Live announcements effectively can significantly expand your professional reach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.